Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I am back with another hair video for you guys. The wig that I'll be trying for you guys today is from LuvMeHair. I had to unpack my wig. This is their afro kinky wig. Mind you, this is my first time trying an afro kinky. I've never tried this texture before. This is definitely a first for me. So that's what the inside of the wig is looking like. This wig is their invisible lace, and again, you definitely can wear this wig glueless. With the little baby hairs in the front already pulled out for you, but on a unit like this, I would definitely suggest plucking it just a little bit more for it to appear a bit more natural. I'm just gonna go ahead really quickly and change the color of my shirt because I feel like it's taken away from the bottom of the hair, like you can't really see it too well, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm just co-washing my wig before I go ahead and install it, and this is just gonna help to like loosen up the curls on the wig and just make it appear a bit more natural and more defined. Now I'm just taking my scissors and I'm just cutting off all that excess lace, and then we're going to go to work on this frontal because it does not come customized. The knots do come bleach already for you, but if you want a really natural hairline, you're definitely going to have to customize this wig yourself because the hairline is just straight, and I won't even say it's straight. It does kind of look like it has like a widow's peak, but you still have to customize it because the hairline itself is like really thick in the front, so you want to thin out that hair in the front as thin as possible just so it can appear a little bit more natural. So just pluck that frontal as natural as you can get it. For me, on the other hand, I did not pluck the entire frontal. I only plucked this area here that I am sectioning off. I was honestly being lazy, and also you weren't going to see the rest of the frontal either way because the hair is going to be laying in my face. After plucking it, I go ahead and make my parting space. I have a really hard time with like making straight parts. So usually when I'm parting my wigs, it does take me a good 2 minutes to perfect my parting space. Just because I don't know why, you guys, I suck at parting. And then I take my spray bottle and just damp the hair again before I apply my mousse. The mousse definitely helps to like lay down your wig on the top there, especially if it's bulky on the top. You want to use some mousse and just take your rat tail comb or a brush or whatever you have that has like a fine teat on it and just like pass it through it, and honestly it does really help with flattening down your wigs. Then I'm just adding some of that mousse to the rest of the hair. This definitely helps with like keeping the frizziness under control. It also helps with defining your curls and making your hair look moisturized and nice all day long. So definitely recommend this mousse. I've been using it for a while now on all of my curly units, and it is the best. Now I'm just cutting these hairs that I section off to make my baby hairs. I really don't have like a specific way that I do my baby hairs. It all depends on however my hand starts swooping. I just go with the flow. So when it comes to my baby hairs, I do not have like a specific way that I do them. And again, you guys, this wig is completely glueless. For a unit like this, though, I would recommend laying down the ear tabs either with some adhesive or you can use gel. But if you do want like a longer hold, definitely use some adhesive on the ends. And when I say adhesive, it doesn't have to be a glue. You can use the got2b spray or whatever spray, hold-in spray that you prefer. So yeah, but other than that, the wig is completely glueless. I would just recommend, if you know you're going to be outside and the wind is going to be blowing really strong, lay down those air tabs because they will lift. But besides that, for the rest of the hair, it is on your head. She is not moving, going anywhere. Just if the wind blows back, your edges, not your edges, the sideburns are gonna lift. So that's what the hair is looking like. Y'all see the baby hairs? I really wanted something really natural looking. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig. She is completely glueless, adhesive free. We don't have to use no got to be. I didn't have to use any got to be. I didn't have to use any lace glue or none of that. Just the elastic band, that extra piece of elastic band that came with your unit. I'm really impressed with this unit. I love how the hair looks overall. It's really thick and nice. It's definitely giving me really natural vibes. Like, the hair is gorgeous. Like, honestly, this unit itself could definitely pass for my natural hair when it's curled up. And so yeah, this is what the hair is working with. It's really soft and nice. Also, the hair did not come with any smell. I did go ahead and co-wash the hair prior to me install it. I would suggest going in and co-washing it before installing it, just so like the curls could at least loosen up a little bit, because you know when it comes in the box it's kind of like squished together. And for me to like do all of that with just this, it would have been a lot more work rather than, you know, just me putting the wig under a sink and just like doing it really quickly. So some products that I like to put in my hair after wetting my curly units would be either some Shea Moisture, which I use their curling cream, or this product right here, which is what I used just now. This is the Lada Body Foaming Mousse, and this definitely helps with like defining your curls and also taming the frizz in the curls. So especially if you're wearing like a unit like this, let's say for instance, so a unit like this, you know, once they dry and you're always constantly playing in the hair, they do tend to frizz up a lot. So putting a product like this in your hair definitely helps with like taming the frizz and all of that. So this one I really like. I use this a lot, to be honest, for like all of my curly units besides the Shea Moisture product. So far, very minimal shedding. I want to show you guys how much hair came out when I wet the hair plus pluck in. So this was how much hair in total came out with me wetting the hair and, you know, passing the brush through the hair and also plucking the hair, which is not a lot for some curly hair. I would say that is not a lot. So you would definitely have to go in and pluck some hair out of this for it to look natural. I did not pluck the entire front. I literally only plucked like from hair to hair, and I didn't pluck the rest. So as you guys can see, like over there, it's not plucked, but the hair is covering it, so I can get away with it right now. But yeah, the hair was actually really easy to pluck. Honestly, you guys, I didn't have to do a lot of work. The hair is really soft, really nice. I love this texture actually. It's definitely giving me like natural vibes, you know. So I did get this hair on 1B. The length is a 24-inch. Believe it or not, I know it looks really short. Let me just come out. I got this hair on a 24-inch, but you guys know it's curly hair, and this is like a tight curl pattern, so it shrinked a whole lot. So right now, like just regular length, the hair is reaching me to like right above my boob. But if I was to like really stretch the hair, it does come down to like my waistline. So yeah, 24-inch. The hair is really full and nice. Also, the density that I got is a 180 density. The hair pattern, you guys, is just beautiful. I'm actually just gonna come closer so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's the texture on the hair. Like, it's so gorgeous, you guys. So wait, again, this hair is from LuvMeHair, and this is their Afro Kinky HD Invisible Glueless Lace Front Wig. I kind of like forgot the name, but yeah, this is their Invisible Glueless Lace Front Wig. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this unit on me. It's been a while since I tried some hair like this, and I really like it. I think it makes my face look really innocent and cute. Let's not forget the cute part. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this unit. If I do have anything else to add, any additional info, that also will be listed down below. Check the description box for all the deets, specs. I will leave the products too that I use down below. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.